morning. This is cause number 8200447906. That's a lot of numbers. Okay, 2004-47906. In the interest of Zachary Ryan Bauer, all parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hands to be sworn. Unmute yourself, please. Mr. Hopkins, unmute yourself.
Josh, you're on mute.
Go ahead.
Right, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, sir, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Joshua Hopkins, father of Zachary
All
Bauer.
right. And counsel, your name and who you represent.
Thank you, Your Honor. My name is David Solinsky, and I represent Joshua Hopkins.
And Judge, my name is, I
I'm sorry.
apologize.
Okay. Ms. Roberts, please state your name and who you, I'm sorry, your name and your relationship to the child. You need to unmute yourself, Ms. Roberts.
Pauline Roberts, I'm grandmother.
Grandmother? Okay.
Yes,
And maternal or paternal?
yes, maternal.
Mother's mother?
Yes,
And counsel, your name and who you represent.
Judge, my name is Amy Strichko, and I represent Pauline Roberts, who is the custodial guardian of the child.
Okay. Hold on. And representing the Attorney General of the state of Texas.
Morning, Your Honor. Kavita Sharma for the state.
All right, we have a suit for modification of support order and motion to confirm support or rearage. What are we doing today, Ms. Sharma?
Yes, Judge. I have spoken to both attorneys on this case this morning, and Ms. Stritko is asking for a reset. She is waiting for some discovery from the other party. Additionally, she's told me she has a conflict in Galveston County this morning. She said she's set for a trial at 9 a.m. and the other party, Mr. Solinsky, is objecting to that reset.
And Judge, I'm actually set at 9:30. I apologize. When I got to the courthouse, it's at 9:30.
All right, and let's see, we've had a couple of resets on this matter, have we not?
Well, and Judge, if I may chime in, we reset this one back in January to get the documents from Mr. Solinsky's client regarding child support. He texted me a number this morning, but I haven't actually laid my eyes on the documents to be able to go over it with my client and properly calculate a child support number. And at this point, I think discovery is going to be necessary because I don't think we have all of the income information for Mr. Hopkins for last year.
Mr. Solinsky?
Yes, Judge. I will just slightly disagree with Ms. Stritchko's statement. We were set in January, but at that time, the Attorney General who was on the case, their computer system was not operating, so they weren't able to access it. So the reason for the reset was due to a computer issue through the Attorney General system. It had nothing to do with documents or discovery or anything of that nature. It had to, so that reset was just related to a computer issue.
I think Pauline didn't show up that time either.
Just no one's
Okay.
talking to you right now, Mr. Hopkins. No one's
Okay,
talking to you right now. All right.
And then, Your Honor, there is one other issue that has kind of been danced around. The biological mother has not been served in this matter. She is I think she's a necessary party. We had requested that the Attorney General serve her. I believe they attempted to serve her, to my knowledge, but for whatever reason, she has not been served. So I don't know how you want to consider that, Your Honor.
Well, I mean,
I
that's a mother, Heather Renee Roberts. Are we talking about Heather Renee Roberts?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
And there's been no service on that, no service on that party?
That is correct.
Well, we
Correct,
can't,
Judge.
well, then
Now,
we can't move forward without all the parties present.
And I thought that might be the case. Obviously, we'd like, but we do believe, and with all respect to the Attorney General's office, we do believe it is their obligation, since they're the parties that brought the suit. We do believe it is their obligation to bring her into the case.
Oh, no, yeah, no question about it. That's a party to the suit. What's the name of the, okay. Let me look at Heather Renee Roberts. Do we have service on Heather Renee Roberts and Sherman?
We do not have service on her as yet.
We can't go forward.
And so, Judge, also, the first time we appeared on this matter back in October, Pauline Roberts had not been served, which is another reason why we reset in order to give the Attorney General time to get her served. And I believe she was served in November.
I also think
So
that is correct.
it might look like we've had several resets, but we've had to do it to get procedurally correct.
All right, so see, this is a modification support orders, motion to confirm support rearage. All right. And there is some discovery that's missing, Mr. Solinsky?
Well, we've never been served with any discovery. So when we say discovery is missing, I think that's probably not an accurate statement.
Well, the original petition, the original motion, I'm sure has a discovery paragraph in there, doesn't
No,
it?
that's possible. I tell you, it's been so long, you may be accurate on that. So that may be correct, Your Honor.
Let me look at it. Let me look at it real quick. Yeah, there's a request for production of documents. Yes.
So that may be correct, and I hadn't thought about the fact that it was on the original petition. So we're happy to supply documents, Your Honor.
All right, but it's apparent that we're going to have to reset because we do not have service on one of the parties at any rate. So, okay, what is the reset date, Maria? What, July 28th? July 21st. How does that look to you, attorneys?
I'm sure it's fine with me.
Let me double check. I have a vacation letter in July. I just need to double check it.
Ms. Sharma, if I may ask, is it possible for you to kind of put in your system the request for service for Heather Roberts, or however you all do it?
Of course.
I'm sorry?
And Judge,
Of course we will.
Yes,
I
Ms.
actually have
Creature.
a vacation. I have a vacation letter from July 18th to the 25th.
Okay, but this date is July 28th.
28th. I apologize, Judge. The 28th works.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought I heard you say the 21st. The 28th is fine.
Didn't we say the 20? What did we say? 28th is good. Okay.
Okay, 7/28, 7/28.
Okay. Case is reset for service on mother and for father to comply with production.
And if I may ask, will this be a Zoom trial as well? Similar to what
Yes.
we know?
Yes, yes. For production request.
And the portal to supply documents, Ms. Sharma, is that something you could put in the chat as well?
Of course I can.
And Judge, this is reset to the 28th at 9 a.m. or I mean 8 a.m. Correct?
Correct. Correct. All right, anything further?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
All right.
Mr.
And then,
Zelinski?
no, just want to make sure, Ms. Sharma, you've got in your system the send out the service request for Heather Roberts.
I do, and when Judge leaves, we'll stay here for a moment so I can email the reset form to you both.
Understood.
Ms.
Your Honor.
Tritchko, do you have anything further? Ms. Tritchko?
No, nothing further, Judge.
All right, folks, and this matter is reset to July 28, 2022. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.